Think you've seen a lot of trucks on the road? That's not enough. Virginia's booming logistics industry needs thousands of drivers, and that's opportunity waiting for you.
My name is Lewis Derek Sewell. I'm with Ancora Training at Laurel Community College. Trucking is a great career, especially for somebody that's looking for something that they can get into in a relatively short training time. Unlike a lot of other programs, you don't need 3 or 4 years, you just need 4 weeks, and you can complete your entry-level requirements in order to get an entry-level job with a trucking company.
Our 4-week program starts in the classroom, then moves to hands-on training on our range and the road. Students learn everything from pre-trip inspections to navigating real-world routes.
It's always been a dream of mine to come get my CDL. My dad's been driving longer than I've been alive, so I kind of grew up around it.
I'm getting my CDL. I've been working construction for about 5 years now, and I've driven some trucks, have a little bit of experience with that, but now I'll be able to legally be on the road by myself without someone having to ride with me.
By adding the tractor, we'll be able to haul a lot more freight. We'll be able to get more loads, because in the box truck business, unless you know someone, it's kind of hard to get your loads, and it's kind of hard to continuously run. And we should be able to continuously run and make a lot more money in the tractor business.
Ready to shift gears into a new career? CDL training at Laurel Ridge Community College is your road to opportunity.